Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create e-way bill from TranZact. So we do have a functionality to create direct or e-way bill, and also we do have functionality to create JSON for the e-way bill. How you can do so? So first of all, you need to click on Browse Modules. Click on this. Now here you need to go Sales and Purchase. Now, once I will open sales and purchase module, all my sales and purchase transaction are here. So this is one of my invoice which I have created. So first of all, I will provide you the detail that how come you can go ahead and create a direct e-way bill. So in order to create a direct e-way bill from TranZact, API registration is required. For that, there is a document. You can reach us on our support chat and we will be sharing the document to do the API registration. Then you need to input it into your settings module in GST API option. After that, you can go ahead and directly create e-way bill from TranZact. How? Right hand side, other action, click on this. Now, in the very bottom, please check there is an option of generate e-way bill. Click on e-way bill. After that, please check. This is the e-way bill format which will get opened in front of your screen. So you need to just fill all the detail. And after filling all the details, you can click on generate and can generate the e-way bill directly from TranZact. Second option is how to create it from JSON. Go back, click on view transaction. Now I will go back to my sales and purchase. Now in very top, please check there is a truck icon. Click on this. Now this is the list of invoices which I have created. I will simply just select this invoice. I need to fetch data, and this is how I can go ahead and generate a JSON. Just check for all the details provided here, and after matching all the details, you can go ahead and generate JSON for the same. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and create e-way bill from TranZact. Have a good day ahead.